Hello from Boracay. We are exploring the island today. The weather is not good, but it's fine. We are walking around the stations. Actually, we have accommodation in station 2, which is the most touristy part of the island, and now we are going to station 1, which is more like calm vibe, less busy, but there should be some nice beach, etc. So we will go and check it. It's still actually really warm, even though it's cloudy. And you can still see lots of people in the sea. We are almost here. We are going to these rocks. As you can see, here is lots of seaweed. It's usual in this time of the year after rainy season. It's not always and not everywhere. As you can see, you can have some part without seaweed. Also there. You just need to walk a little bit and you will find a spot without seaweed, or just swim a little bit further to the sea and there is no seaweed, but actually water is amazing. Let's go closer. And this sun, wow. Oh, this is a paradise. Wow. Beautiful. This part of Boracay is really quiet. We are going to try to get there. Should be alright. People are walking there and back, so I'm going to try it as well. I am here. You can rent a kayak if you want. I think it must be amazing and sunny day. We bought mango with spice and salt from local kids. We are going to try it.
There is some salt and
Spice.
sweet chili, spicy. Pour it in, mix it around. Let's go.
It was actually really good. I like it. You don't like it?
Nah. It's like fishy taste.
Yeah, that is alright.
Should be fishy probably.
It's like the chips. We are going to the viewpoint. Should be somewhere over there, like 5 minutes walk from this white beach, and it's really white and it's really clear water. You don't have a seaweeds here, which is perfect. And it's quiet. Just few small hotels. So if you are looking for a privacy, you can come here. I'm walking around Lambos viewpoint and it's actually stunning. And it's good you have a path here. You can walk around. You will get to another beach. I'm entering Divini Beach. The water is stunning, like even if there are seaweeds, it's absolutely fine. It's really nice. We are walking in this jungle. These are the ruins of the hotel. As you can see here, there's still some nice floor. Be careful when you come here. It's actually really nice, but as I said, be careful if you decide to walk here. We stop it here in local place and we are going to have a coconut. We are at the white beach and guys, it's really white. That's amazing. We don't have such a good weather, but we have sun finally. Woo! And water temperature is amazing. I love it here. This is the island vibe. You see lots of local kids playing around. It's amazing. I actually like this part much more. At station 3, yeah, it's really quiet, so many locals, and it's really nice. You have less shops here, less restaurants, but yeah, it looks really good. To be honest, if I come here again, hopefully I will go. I will probably stay in this section, in this third section. It's much more my cup of tea. I understand everybody is so different. If you are into like restaurants, you want to have lots of choices and lots of bars around section 2. Is definitely for you. Section 1, it's nice as well. It's again quiet, but like I think the beach is in this part is the best.